Ọ dị na mma soro m mmemme abịa dube m aga m
Videos like this, where Igbo women have dressed in full traditional regalia that portrays their achievements, that portrays their status as a Nemmao, or whenever we see videos where women are interacting with masquerades in their capacity as Nemmao or because they belong to traditional institutions that support them associating themselves with masquerades. I usually see Igbo men being perturbed by that mere fact. To them, it's unheard of, it's an abominable thing that a woman would associate herself with masquerade, no matter her age and no matter the capacity. Now, oftentimes we try to correct these negative impressions that based